Today on the channel, we are going to do a little review and unboxing of the Helium Kickback LVL. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well out there today. But today on the channel, we are going to review this Helium Kickback LVL tree stand. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I got the project truck behind me. If you follow the channel, you'll see different parts of the build on the project truck behind me. But today, we're going to do a little unboxing and review of this strap-on tree stand. So why don't you say we get started? And I'll just break up my trusty sawed knife, do a little cut here. Yeah, this tree stand seems to be pretty light. I picked it up for its lightness and easy to hang up in the tree. And it's also adjustable, so we're going to just do a little unboxing and show you guys how it comes. So when you get this home, you'll see it's boxed up rather nicely. They have it all packaged up nice in there so that way your tree stand don't get damaged, so that's a plus. Just discard that. So let's see what this looks like when you pull it out of the box. So here's how your tree stand comes boxed up, and comes with a safety harness here. And remember, if you're always hunting from the tree or anytime you have your feet off the ground, wear a safety harness. I can't stress that enough. Strap to tie it to the tree. You get a set of instructions and a list of part numbers for you with your tree stand. Hawks looks like it's having a giveaway. I don't know when it starts or when it ends. And it also gets you get a DVD for tree stand hunting strategies. So here's how your Hawk tree stand will come pre-packaged from right out of the box. And it looks like it's somewhat pre-assembled, some of it, and it looks like some of it you may have to put together. So we're gonna cut off some of these zip ties and see what it looks like. Just right away by pulling it out of the box, very light compared to some of the other tree stands that I've had in the past. Looks like it gives you the hardware. A few hardware bolts and a couple wrenches so you don't have to use your own. Strap for the seat. And here is the seat. This looks like the back of the seat gets wrapped around the tree. And as you can see, the seat is pretty nice size. So we're just going to put that out to the side. Some more packing material. Here's the footrest. The footrest, hardly any weight to it at all. Very surprised. like about this this Hawk tree stand, not only is it's like super light, the material they're using here. It has a nice big nice big standing platform on there, and it's even nice enough that they've already attached the carrying straps to it. Hardly any assembly at all that you have to do, which is pretty cool, which is very nice of Hawk. Other tree stands that I've put together, you've always had to put all the parts together. And this tree stand has you can level the base off to the angle of the tree if the tree's tilted a little bit one way or the other. And that was a big plus with this. And this, just by moving this bracket up and down, and it looks like all you do is tighten this to once you get it in the desired position you need it in. So I'll turn that sideways so you guys can take a look at that. And once I get it together, I'll bring you in and show you that. But here are the components that you get when you unbox your when you get the tree stand. The seat, the platform, the footrest, the hardware that it looks like that attaches to the tree, your ratchet straps, and the safety harness. So I'm going to throw this together, and I'll bring you back in here and show you some of the components on it. Alright guys, here is the main working components of this Hawk tree stand, the kickback one. Putting it together was fairly easy. It was just putting on the bracket that mounts to the tree, the seat, and the footrest, which I'll take you guys back out and show you that here in a bit. But here's your main working components of this tree stand. Here and right up here, there is a knob, and I'll get into that in a minute. To adjust your tree stand to the right angle that you want, you just tip it, and you could put it at the most extreme angle. And when you do that, you could also reset your seat with this knob up here. And all you do there is just turn it in clockwise to raise your seat. And then it will raise your seat to be level with your base. It was fairly easy putting this tree stand together, and not hard at all. There is 4 adjustments on the angles here. As you can see, there's 4 adjustments, 1, 2, 3, 4, to go with the angles. But once you get the desired angle you want, there is tightening knobs here on both sides, and then you're just tightening in. Another nice feature I like about this tree stand is it comes with a top strap, and it also comes with the bottom strap. The top strap is a cinch tight one where you just pull it like all the other ones. But what's neat about this is that you won't have to worry about them falling off while you're assembling it to the tree. You just put it on there and it just locks right in there. Just wanted to show you that, which I have it on backwards. So you just put it on there like that, and then it'll go around the top of the tree to secure the top part of your stand. And here is the buckle. I really like that. And they also give you a ratchet strap to ratchet the bottom of the stand in. One thing I did come across when putting this bracket here that goes to the tree, this is the wrench that they supply you. If you're going to do this in the field, I would recommend that you take an adjustable with you and a 13mm socket, because the wrench that they give you to tighten this bolt up here, because this one doesn't spin in here, it automatically locks in there. It's just not, this wrench is not just strong enough to get a nice tight secured fit on that bolt. And what ends up happening is that it ends up bending. I don't know if you can see the bend in that. So I just end up using adjustables on it to get that. And then the 13mm socket to reach the bolts for inside the angle iron of the footrest. So I'm going to take these back out and then we'll go over this again. So there you go. The Helium Kickback is all now put together. For real, all I had to do was put 3 bolts in, 2 for the footrest, 1 for the mounting bracket that holds the top of the tree stand to the tree, and and also the bolt for the seat. So that's a total of 4 bolts that you had to put in. It comes somewhat pre-assembled. I would go over this again to double check the factory torque settings or the tightness on the bolts, snug them up a little bit more. And it's a very nice tree stand. I really like the way it adjusts to the different height, to the different angles that accommodate your hunting terrain and whatnot. I also like the fact that up in here they give you the a cinch type style strap for the top, a ratchet strap for the bottom so your platform does not move at all, a safety harness, tree stand hunting strategies, your instruction book, and the giveaway if it's still going on. Like I said once again, if you're going out, take an adjustable. If you plan on putting this together out in the field, take the adjustable wrench with you and a 13mm socket. I would take those with you just in case because of like I showed you, the one wrench just does not, actually just does not work. So along with them and these 2, you're good to go. I really do like the construction and what the tree stands intended for and what's the purpose of it, the different angles. It's very light. So I'm giving it a big thumbs up and I'm very looking forward to trying this bad boy out this hunting season. So once again, if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button because we are going to get into more hunting related videos and we're going to go out in the field, take you guys out on some hunts. We also got some stuff going on with the project vehicles that are attached to the channel. So till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.